Should I close? Tell me, guys, should I close?
So rest, guy. Good morning, guys. How are you guys doing? Today is Tuesday, the 8th of April, and I took this trade on GBPUSD, but I wasn't able to record on time, so the trade was going in my favor. You can see that the trade came down to this level here. What am I pointing? Yeah, it came here. Then he decided to reverse and go back up. You understand? So there's nothing I can do. It didn't touch my break-even level. You can see the break-even level. You know that black line. This level here, 1.27500. You're supposed to touch it before I break even, but he didn't touch it. So there's no way I can break even now. So I'll update you guys later whether the trade is a winner or a loser. So guys, I'm running $15 profit now. So I just received my notification that I should break even. So you can see that the price has already touched my break even level. So I'm running $15 profit. You understand? So what I usually do is, you can see that I've already received my notification to break even. You understand? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break even now, guys. I'm going to break even now. I think is that, guys, today there's no news at all. You can look at Tuesday April 8th. Nothing, no news, right? We were wrong on this trade, the trade reversed and hit my break even. So we go again tomorrow, guys. I've not lost anything, so that's what matters. As a trader, you have to focus on what you are losing, not on what you are going to make. So yeah, I've already broken even. So you can see that this is the last trade I've taken and break even, so it's just $2. So guys, see you tomorrow. Guys, see this painful trade, guys. Jesus Christ, man, this trade came back to my take profit. Like, what the damn. But guess what, guys, we don't give a anyways, guys, see you tomorrow. Every day I make sure I work out and I sweat like this. Morning, guys. Today is Wednesday the 9th of April, and I've taken a trade now on GBPUSD. So I sold, and at least today I'm happy with my entry, because I used to be very obsessed with my entries, but today I'm very happy with my entry because it's early enough. So if I lose, I lose. If I win, I win. You understand? I don't want to wait to see whether price is really going in my direction before I take a trade. I want to take it early, so anything that happens. So you can see it here on my MT5. Currently is running like in loss, but anyways, you have to just wait, guys. So I'll update you. Stop loss, guys. Stop loss for this trade, because let me check my MT5. Alright, the trade has already been closed on my MT5, so very fast one. See you tomorrow, guys. You see, guys, price is coming back in my favor again. You understand? I've taken this trade, it stopped me out, and now it's coming back in my favor. And I noticed that for the past 2 days, price has been stopping me out and coming back in my favor. You understand? What I'm learning from this is that anytime I'm taking a trade before the opening of London session, something is going to happen. You understand? Because my strategy is good. The entry I said I should take early entries, all these things are correct, it's good. But the only thing that is making me to lose trades is because I'm taking them early before the opening of London session. You understand? And there's a lot of fake outs. There's a lot of fake outs before the London session. The opening pre-London, there are many fake outs in pre-London. So I have to trade after the opening of London session. You understand? So from now on, from today on, I'm going to trade only after the opening of London session. You understand? So that's what I'm going to do now. I see that it's coming down like crazily. It's coming down crazily in my favor, guys. And unfortunately, I've been stopped out, and my rule says that I should take only 1 trade per day, guys. And I can't break my rules. I can't change my rule for any reason. I just have to follow it until the account is blown or I pass it, because I'm stuck like this with this account. Like, I can't break any rule. I have to trade what I said I should trade until I pass it or I blow it. So that's it, guys. See you tomorrow. To notice something is that trading GBPUSD is very fun. Like, you see that there's always a trend line that's going to be broken. There's always a trend line that's going to be breached every morning, every London session. You know, but you just can't tell which of them is going to be broken, but one trend line is going to be broken, and that's one of the things I like about trading GU. Yo, good morning, guys. Today is what they call it, Thursday, and I took a trade on GBPUSD. I sold. So guys, let me show you. Currently it's running in profit. It's running in profit currently. So if I go to my site, you see I've already set my stop loss. So let's see how it goes, guys. I'll update you definitely. Look at what this trade is doing to me. It's going straight to my SL again, you understand? So it's kind of frustrating, but anyways, guys, there's nothing I can do against it. Sometimes you take trades, you lose. Sometimes you take trades, you win. Even if you respected your rules, you know, you did not break any of your rules, the trade is still going to hit your SL if you're supposed to. So there's nothing you can do against it, you understand? So all we have to do is to come back the next day and trade again, you understand, guys? So that's all I can tell you, guys. I mean, I don't have any other strength to fight this market, you know, and you know how I do it, you know, only 1 trade per day. So if this one hits my SL, I'm gonna come again tomorrow and trade again. You know, there's nothing I can do against it until I blow the account or I pass it, respecting my rules, you understand? So yeah, this entry is looking quite good because, you know, I entered here, you understand? You can see it. I entered around here, so it's a good entry. But despite the good entry, GBPUSD is trying to, you know, play with me. So anyways, catch you. I don't know why it's being shy to eat my GP, like my SL. Why is it being shy to eat my SL? Anyways, I know this pair is not shy, but when it comes to hitting my SL, you behave as if he's shy, like he doesn't want to eat it. Smash my SL, my brothers. Don't waste my time. The trade finally hit my SL. You understand? And looking at this chart, you can clearly see the mistake I made. You know, I traded against the trend. You can see it very well. But anyways, there's something I want to tell you guys about this trading of a thing. You understand? I have a set of rules in my phone. I'll put the picture here. So I have a set of rules, you know, that I've listed out. Anytime I'm trading, I should follow the rules, you understand? But I keep breaking the rules, and one of them is trading with the trend and not against the trend. And the trade that I took today clearly showed that I traded against the trend, and that's why I lost, you understand? So as long as you don't respect your trading rules, you're going to, like, even if you respect your trading rules, you are still going to lose trades. But the most important, like, what matters is that you have to follow your strategy. So when you break, like, you lose trades, at least you know that you followed your, you know, your plan and everything. So that's number 1 thing. And then the number 2 thing is that I'm so in love with the entry of today, you understand? Although the trade went against me, the entry looks good, you understand? Because why am I saying the entry looks good? Because anytime you take early entries, I'm not saying that bad early entries, good early entries. If you take a good early entry, you know that price is going to go in your favor immediately, and you're going to run into profit, like, immediately. And that's one good thing about taking immediate trades. And the most important thing about them is not the fact that it's running in profit immediately. The most important thing about them is that it's going to take time before the trade hits your SL. And that's what happened now. It took time, like, you know, the trade reversed, you know, like a long time ago, like it's like 20 minutes, but it has taken it time to hit my SL, and that's one good thing. That time the trade can still go back in your favor, so that's one thing I want to let you guys know. But anyways guys, catch you later. On my account, I'm down now. My account is just 0.08% up, and the account balance is 5,004. Focus, $5,004. So yeah, that's it. And then my win rate is still 50% and everything, you know. And yeah, anyways guys, and can you believe guys that there was a time I was up, you know, I was up 50% in equity. My equity was up like 50%. You know, highest recorded equity, $5,051. You understand? But anyways guys, that's the rule we are following. So yeah guys, I'm going out to sort out one or two things, so I'll be back in a bit. Good morning guys, today is Friday, the last trading day of the week, and you can see that guys, I'm not at home. You know, I'm not at home at all. You know, let's see whether we can catch a good trade today, because we've been taking losses, you know, break even or loss. So today let's hope that we are going to take a good trade. So yeah, that's my idea. You know guys, I'm in on the trade now. Currently I just took this trade. I'm buying DU, so I'll show you my analysis very soon. DU is going up crazily in my favor, like crazily in my favor. I've never seen that kind of thing before. Guys, break even guys, break even in no time, like not even up to 2 minutes guys. This is the fastest one. Let me break even now. Ha. See on the chart here, see what DU is doing. See what DU is doing. He's even heading to my TP. This is the fastest one today. Guys, I've already broken even. I've broken even on this one. And it looks like there's news today. Because see that there's GBPUSD news today. That's why the market has been going up crazy in my favor. Well guys, I've already broken even today, so let me show you the chart. This is what GU is doing. I don't know if I should take profit and just lock in profits for this week, but you know what my rule says, I should not take manual profits. But guys, I really feel like taking profit though for this one. See, I'm up like more than what I'm supposed to make. But guess what guys, I'm closing. Guys, should I close? Tell me guys, should I close? Should I close? Damn, I closed guys. Like, I've taken my profit at the right spot. You know, this is a resistance level, so if I delayed, it would have, you know, just melted down, and I'll be so upset with myself. So it's better to, you know, take profit now. But this is the quickest one. Like, I've never seen this kind of thing before. The quickest take profit I've ever seen in my entire trading career. You know, before I even took this trade, like, I used to, you know, do my analysis before taking a trade. But today, as soon as I opened the chart, I didn't do any analysis. As soon as I opened my chart, I was like, I'm going to buy automatically. I did not even trace any trend line. I did not do any analysis. I just went ahead to take the trade. You understand? Because I knew it was going to buy. I was never so sure about the trade, you understand? And I took it, and immediately it went into my, like, it went in my favor, you understand? So this is one of the fastest trade I've ever caught. And I later realized that the reason why it was so fast is because of the news release. You know, there was a news release around 7 a.m. You know, a GBP news release, you understand? And it's positive for GU. That's why it has been going on. But news doesn't always play out for, you know, price action. But this time around, it worked out, you know. So this is one of the fastest ones. Now I'm back in profit, you know. The green days have come back, you know. This is spring now. Winter has gone. Now we are in spring. Now the average win is $16. The average loss is $12. But I have to manage my trades now. I have to do my best to have my average loss to be the half of my average win. It's the only way to show that my style, my strategy is very good, because if my average loss is $12 and my average win is $16, what am I left with? You understand? So if you check the monthly graph, you will see how I'm doing. You understand? You know, I started from 5,000, I went down, then I came back up, I went down again, I went back up, then I came down, and then now I'm up. So hopefully we make 1% next week, guys, and then from there we can go to 2%, 3%, 5%, 6%, and why not 10%? Came back home, guys. Time to rest, guys. It's been a very stressful day.